Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be useful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can share your PS Plus on your PS4. So how do you do it? In order to do it, the main account, you'll need to have a primary account. As you can see, you'll need to activate a primary PS4 account, which will have the PS Plus. So what do you do this? How do you do this? Well, I've got this picture. So on your PS4, you want to sign in with the account that has the PlayStation subscription. Then you want to go over to the settings, and then you want to navigate to the PSN menu. Once you're in the PSN menu, you want to select activate as your primary PS4. What this will do is make that PS account the primary PS account for that PS4. So if you want to do it, make sure it's your PS4 that you're doing it for, because if it's someone else, they might get mad. And then you just want to activate that, and that's it. That's about it. So from after that, anyone else that logs in with their PSN, they'll be able to, with their PS account, they'll enjoy your PS Plus subscription just because your one is the primary account. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.